there, I'm Chantel with WTI, and I have been needing a new pillow. So I was super stoked to give this memory foam pillow by Coop a try, and it is perfection. Have you ever tried a pillow that is 100% customizable? I didn't even know such a thing existed until I discovered this pillow by Coop, and let me tell you, it has been a game changer. There is nothing worse than waking up with a stiff neck. And it was time for my old pillow to go because I was having a real issue with that. As a side sleeper, I love that I am able to align my body so that my neck and my head are supported while I'm sleeping, and being able to add or remove foam has just been, like I said, perfection. I have been sleeping so well and just waking up refreshed, and I know that it is because of this pillow. I love that there's a cover on it that you can remove and wash, and just look at the difference between my old pillow and the new. It is just so fluffy and firm at the same time, and I'm just so happy with it. So say goodbye to that old nasty pillow and get yourself a Coop. You will not be disappointed, but that's just my point of view.